Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you that how can you use Postman and Node.js to create your own CRUD API. So in this video I'm going to walk you through that how to create your own API, having create, update and delete and all such stuff. So here we are going to just make a simple blog app without any login functionality, where we are just going to do what we can say create, read, update, delete, and we are going to test that using Postman. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first of all, you need to install Postman, or maybe another one doing similar job like testing your APIs. So for that, I recommend using Postman. You can download it from their website, which is www.postman.com. Okay, so after installing that Postman, make sure that you have Node installed in your system. Obviously, if you're watching this video, I think that I am assuming that you have already installed Node.js into your computer system, so you can install it from their website, which is nodejs.org. Okay, so if you're done with installing that, I will strongly recommend you to have a look on their mongoose documentation also. So for that you can simply go their mongoose js documentation or something like that. Okay, and one more thing we need to do is going to go to Mongo Atlas and create your account over here, because we are going to use their server for storing our database. Okay, so you can simply go to Mongo Atlas Atlas, sorry, whatever it is. You can just go there and can have their API. So this is your mongoose JS. Just go to this docs part. They have pretty solid docs, uh, which will help you to get started with creating and reading and update database and all such things. And in Node we are also going to need Express. Okay, so now here you have Mongo Atlas, so just click there. So this is what we got in MongoDB Atlas, and simply go to this part which is saying sign in, or maybe if you are new, you may not want to create your new account in this one. And here we can simply click on sign in, and it is going to show you the form where you need to give your credentials and all. So after entering into their website, which is mongodb.atlas, whatever it is, you can find here a button which is saying connect. And just click there. Then you can see you're connected to your application, and this is going to give you a link, and just copy that link or maybe save it for later use. Okay, and so just copy this link. Okay, you're going to need it in future. Okay, so I'm leaving it for now. You can just create your own cluster also just by clicking on this button. It's quite simple. Okay, so this is quite how we are going to use Mongoose. And for Mongoose we are having here quick start. From here you can just start your like this, yeah, like this. If you are having um, database like this, we can just require it and we can use that. So let's get back to our project and let's get started. So let's create a new folder. Not in here. Let's go somewhere else, which is here. In this one. Open your git bash right here. Whatever you can use, not only git bash, you can use uh, your command prompt also, but I prefer using git bash. No hard feelings. npm I and it. This will create your basic node app, as you know. I think my bash is not working. I think. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. My name is okay. It's okay. I prefer giving it as app.js. Here you want to give your name. Yes. So now after all those things, we have our package.json ready. Now we need to open it up using Visual Studio Code. So now our project is ready and is launched in Visual Studio Code. So the next thing is, let's see, let's check that was there in the package.json. In here we got something like CRUD API and all such things. So here we need to just write our own script, which is uh, start yeah, start node app.js. Now you got it right. We need to create that app.js file also. Okay, so just here create a new file which is app.js. Okay, and in app.js we are just going to uh, first we need to install some packages using npm, then we can proceed further. Okay, um, but we are not going to do it like that. We are going to export our app from server, and in app.js we are having just a simple bare minimum configuration we can have. Okay, because we are here following the best practices to make our CRUD API. So first let me install some of the dependencies or packages, whatever you can say, uh, so you can have that. So let's create a folder till my terminal is initializing. uh, no, not like that. Let's create a folder here. This is just a src folder, and in that folder let's create a file uh, which will be server.js, server.js, and in that file we're going to start our code. Okay, So first we need to install something which is Express body parser, and what we can say, what more is there? We're going to need, of course you can use, but I'm not going to connect it with our front end till for now. Maybe in future we can have it. Body parser, mongoose, obviously there's a big giant in here. Mongoose, and what's the name of one more we can have? We can have, no, currently for now it's okay, so let's install that. So now we are done with installing all of our packages which we are going to use. Okay, so first of all thing which we are going to create is our simple app. Okay, so first let me tell you that this video is going to split up into 3 to 4 series. So means I'm not going to complete this CRUD application in this whole video, because it will be quite boring and will become unnecessarily too long. So in this video I'm just going to create the app, and in the next video I'm going to just create another thing, and so forth so on. Okay, so in this video just I'm going to create app and just initialize with our app variable. Okay, so const express is equal to require, but here we are going to see some of the best practices at how industry standard express application or node application looks like. Since we don't fell everything into a same file, we just need some couple of directories and all such things, then we are good to go to create our own project. Because if you are going to dump all of this into a single file, it will be really become difficult to manage your file. So the best practice would be to split up into multiple folders, having some indexes file and all sorts of things. Okay, uh, so this is what we are going to use in here. uh, so let's get started. Express, the next thing which we're going to use is our body parser. Then we are going to create our app, very first app, which is Express, and in here we are going to use body parser dot, sorry, app.use. So this is basically we are using their body parser for parsing data on our API. So this is pretty much it, and we are just going to export this app. Okay, what more we can do in this app? What more we can do in this app? We have used this body parser.json. All the things are done, I think. Yeah, the further things can be done in here. Okay, that's quite funny. Yeah, uh, module, then we are going to export that. Okay, because we are going to import it in our app.js. Okay, exporting that app. Now head on to your app.js, and here we need to require that server package. Const app is equal to, Okay, so we are getting that server.js. Now we can just listen to our server. In here we are just first here I am just using this what we can say custom coded port like 3000. For server you may want to use something called process.env dot port, but for now I am going to use it like 3000. And in here we are just going to use like this, and here you can just console.log like server is connected. Now we're done with our this part. We are just requiring our src slash server and listening at 3000 port. Now let's run this app right now, so to see whether it is running or not. If you don't know, you have to install Nodemon if you don't want to restart your app each and every time. So you may want to install Nodemon. Okay, uh, so I am assuming that you have already installed Nodemon. Okay, so you can just simply type here Nodemon, and if you don't know how to install it, it's quite simple. npm I -gm Nodemon. It's quite simple like that. Um, they will install it globally, and if you are already installed it, then you can simply type here Nodemon and just hit enter. It is going to launch your app. Now server is connected. That's a good news. In the next video, we are going to connect our application with the database, and some more fun stuff is on the way. So stay tuned. In the next video, we are going to do some more stuff in this CRUD API. This will be maybe 3 to 4 videos long. This particular CRUD API courses. It's not like big that much. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do hit a like and subscribe to the channel so that you will never miss any update, and share it with your friends also so that they can also get some benefits out of this course. So